Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and going straight to Security, then your Devices. Locate the phone you want to remove and verify its name and last activity so you remove the correct device. Once you've confirmed it's the right handset, tap or click the three dots or Manage Device. Make sure you've backed up any needed data or turned off Find My Device. Otherwise, you might lose remote access. Now proceed to the removal option shown for that device. After opening the device details, choose Remove or Sign Out and follow the confirmation prompts. This severs the Google session on the phone and stops future syncing. Apps tied to the account will sign out over time. If the phone had app passwords or third-party access, go to Security Third-Party Apps and revoke any tokens as needed to be thorough. Once done, confirm the device no longer appears in your devices and check account activity for any unexpected logins. Finish by auditing account activity, and if anything looks off, change your password immediately and sign out from all devices. Make sure two-step verification is enabled so someone cannot re-add the phone without a second factor. If removal fails because the device is managed by an organization or uses a work profile, remove it via Google Admin or contact your administrator. Troubleshooting tip: if the device still shows, clear browser cache, retry from another device, or revoke access from Security Third-Party Apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.